Many people aren't aware that inquiries have massive negative effects on their credit score. There's only two types of inquiries, and I'm sure you may have heard of them before: hard and soft inquiries. People sometimes refer to these as hard checks or a hard pull because they appear directly on your credit report. The more inquiries on your report, the more your score drops, because if you're applying everywhere for credit, this type of activity may seem risky to lenders. Hard pulls usually happen when you're applying for a new credit card, car loans, a mortgage, or personal loan. If you're in the process of purchasing a house, hard pulls look really bad in the eyes of your lender. Something super important to watch for when disputing inquiries is to not dispute an inquiry on an open account, because your creditor may close your account. Soft inquiries don't hurt your credit score. Soft pulls usually happen in specific cases, like when your current creditors check your credit, when you check your own credit, when employers pull your credit for background checks, when you get a pre-approval, and when your landlords pull your credit. If you've ever been asked for the last 4 digits of your social security number, then you probably received a soft inquiry. You can only remove hard inquiries off of your credit report, and more importantly, they should only be removed in certain cases, like when you have a closed account, when you've been denied for credit, and when they're unauthorized inquiries. A way to get your inquiries off in 24 hours is by calling each of the bureaus. Experian is typically the easiest to remove, while the other two bureaus will sometimes ask for a letter from your creditors. The phone numbers for the bureaus are listed below. When you get on the phone, you're going to want to select the option that allows you to dispute items or says credit report. Then you're going to tell them that there's inquiries that you didn't authorize on your report. Let them know that there may be fraud, and you already contacted the creditors. If you've yet to send a personal information cleanup letter, you're going to want to send that out first, and after you send it out, you're going to wait a week and then send out the inquiry removal letters to the credit bureaus. If the credit bureau doesn't reply within 30 days, or they say the inquiries were verified from the first letter, send them the secondary inquiry removal letter. After you send the secondary inquiry removal letter, wait another 30 days to request the removal of hard inquiries directly from the creditor. Sending this letter means that you are challenging if the inquiring creditor had proper authorization to pull your credit file. Remember to keep a copy for your files and send the letters as registered mail for the best response.